Hello everyone, Lano here with Smokey. He's such a little asshole. You know, this is what, when I say I'm sending people dick pics, this is the dick I'm sending. Yeah, because you're a little asshole at times. You're literally dick, Smokey. Hello everyone, Lano here, back with some more things on the internet, because that's what we do, and today we put a finger on the scales. Because lizard drag scales. You know, I did write a joke to Lazy Lewis on Twitter. He never replied to that, but I hope he saw it, because I thought it was pretty funny. And it is that, why did a lizard dress up in a maid outfit? It is so we would tip the scales. You know, tip the scales, like tipping the scale. Okay, I thought that was very funny. Did you hear about that dragon that was a pirate? Yeah, well, he was a really scaly wag. Get him! Oh boy, I love dragons. I actually have a bunch of dragons in my shelf. Oh, I'm gonna show you actually. I have like this big old lamp up there that is really cool. This old little lamp as well, and this poor chump that's supposed to be on there, but one of my cats broke it. Well, it was not this one. Smokey, you're innocent in this case, actually. I have this little
and a big ass lamp over here that I never got to put up because it's so fucking big and I have no place to put it. But it's so cool.
And a little chest that, well, the poor dragon lost his head somewhere in the eons of time. Damn. So yeah, speaking is hard because, yes. But yeah, dragons are awesome. I've always been a fan of them, and I just think they're just very neat. And there's so many types of dragons, you know. You have the big scaly ones, you have the bronze dragons, you have the red fire dragon, you have the golden ones. There's so many variations. You have the ones that you want to fuck, and you have the... It's not just me, right? Who am I kidding? Because we are here to check out the song DragonFucker, because... why the fuck not? And it is a song by Tavern Records featuring Tiefling Melissa. That is why I did see about this, because she was sharing it on Twitter. So you know what? We're gonna be checking it out here today, because you know, I like dragons and I might be a tad bit scaly. You know how a dragon gets an erection? Scaling it up. Why did I make that joke? I don't know. And you know, talking about DragonFucker, you know that their sex move in general is drag on, drag off, drag on. Okay, that probably don't make sense, but you could if you use your noggins for a lot of that. And of course, never forget the classic memes of the bard always trying to seduce the dragon. I have a character like that, though he's not even a bard. He's just a very horny warrior that is like literally sleeping with anything and anyone, you know. He's very flexible. Sabin, what would we do without you? Probably not have a headache. And of course, links to the original video and Tavern Records channel is in the description, so you can go there and support them. And now, we're gonna jump right into this and have ourselves a little listen. Man, I'm actually excited for this, because I never heard about them, Tavern Cat. And, you know, because they have cat in their name, I'm already game. Or maybe game. If you know, okay, whatever. So here we are with DragonFucker explicit, so you know it is very naughty. And for some reason, when I see DragonFucker, it makes me think on Ninja Sex Party and Denny Sex Bang, because that is something they would do, right? Like, I mean, he have tried to fuck the dragon, but I think the dragon went for someone else instead. No, the princess went for the dragon instead, so that was the case. And honestly, that is fair. I think anyone would do that, so let's jump right into this. I'm excited for this. Let's go! Man, this is slapping.
Ever since I was a lad, I've
Damn.
From human to kids Yankee.
Haha.
Choices are now few, my hopes that it seems, and I thought I was lost till a vision came to me. A beauty so bright that the world shone new again. A dazzling diva who just set my heart ablaze. The clerics tried to warn me of all the fear and pain, but there's no stellar cure that could take me from this haze. Oh, how could something so wonderful
Man, I think this.
a big taboo? I'd hate to grow old and resentful, so I'll tell you just what I will do. I wanna fuck a dragon. Using all my love up in the sky. I wanna fuck a dragon. Got my healers all on standby.
Damn, that was awesome. That really makes me think on Ninja Sex Parlor there. Awesome.
I was so pleased, but then something in me woke. I screamed for more. My mind was constantly in haste. This was now a need. It never stopped until I made every dragon roll.
Oh, oh,
Go
oh.
from the scales to their brilliant.
Ah, recognize.
With their size, oh,
I
can you
why do I
go
recognize?
wrong? This mortal body may surely fail. I still proclaim all this with this song. I wanna fuck a dragon. No dancers are needed for the fight. I wanna fuck a dragon. My hips and nuts will kiss tonight. So let us just enjoy fun while we just fuck from dawn to dark. No matter what, their shape or size, they're all so good. I'm a DragonFucker, and I see the rising sun. I'm Dragon yet, draconic must believe it then. I'm never done, I'll do them all. I'm a DragonFucker, I wanna fuck them all. Feel their pleasure from underneath their glow. Have them push upon a wall, and have my lips right up against their mouth.
That is tipping, well, the tip of the scales. That's a different thing I was picking up. Oh god, I love this. Man, there's some sexy trumpets there. Oh my god.
See, the thing about dragons is they're the best. They have those big strong wings and they're powerful breath. They have thick arms to pin me down. It's why I love having them around. The chromatics have flames and even some lightning. And when they pin me to the wall, I really love the biting. My riders
I love the
always
riding.
have dragon riding. You gotta be the best to want the best. I'll never put the dragon fucking to rest. Twitter wants to put me on blast, but only dragons are built to last. Mechanics are nice and sweet when they sweep you off your feet. But the passion in dragon fucking really makes me feel unique. I really love
This
dragons.
is so good.
They leave my knees feeling oh so weak. I'll sit in their maw and feel their tongue. It gives my insides so much fun. I love it when
Why?
they hold me in their claw. You know my cottage is only hall. Sorry. I'm too horny on main.
Oh yeah, I feel that. I feel that. Okay. That was amazing. Okay, I love this. Seriously. Oh my god, I love it. Especially this. I mean, now this really makes me, you know, the vibe of the voice and everything really makes me think of, like, you know, Ninja Sex Party. And I mean that as a good thing, because I'm a huge fan of Ninja Sex Party, and it just have that kind of, you know, whimsical fantasy feeling to it. Though, of course, very horny in this case. And I just love that. Oh my god. And it's slapping so good. Oh my god. Wait, is that slapping something I should... Oh, dear god. Oh my. Yeah. Oh my god. I said this is fucking awesome. I love this. And kind of also makes me think on a combination of Ninja Sex Party and Parental Floss. You know, some of his older songs. You know, I don't know why, but it is this kind of like humor and just really nice swing to it. You know, you come in for the fancy of it, but you're coming out like, I mean, coming out indeed. Ooh. And yeah, I might recognize this art for scientific reasons. I don't know what you mean about that. Seriously though, this is so good. I love this. I hope to see more of Tavern Cat and their work, because this is just really amazing and really catchy. Oh my god. And also really cool to see Melissa taking part of this. And of course, it's art of Laser Lizard Lewis that I was mentioning earlier. I didn't expect his art to be here, so how about that? And she's doing it very well. And also, I can feel that, you know, becoming too horny on main. Yeah. How am I supposed to deal with that? I will say, like, one of my, like, well, some of my OCs are surprisingly horny for some reason. I don't know why. Who knows? Oh my god. And honestly, I mean, if you could fuck a dragon, I mean, you probably do it once, you know? You fuck around and find out. Oh god. I just love it. Seriously, amazing stuff. And once again, links to the original video and the channel in the description. Go and support them and the amazing work they do. And I hope I'm not the only one that is feeling a little bit for lizard meat. That is probably the wrong thing to say.